is dancing her. Kohai, fiak koli mo sistama. There you go. That was it. And who have you there? What's your name? Hey? You going to be on TV? No? Okay, let's go somewhere. What's the little one's name, Rena? The other one. Alia. That's Amora. Amora, where's your Uncle Jackson? Hey? Where's your Uncle... Amora, where's your Uncle Jackson? Hey? Where's your Uncle Jackson? Where's your Uncle Jackson? You saw him at Christmas? Oh, is he?
Your turn, Jojo.
Liliani! Liliani, you look lovely. Oh. He's at his home. Where does he live? In Perth. Yeah? Oh, look at them. They're all wearing the... They look cool wearing the fofos. Yeah, they all are wearing their fofos. Yeah. Look at these guys, eh? Oh, Bob. Oh, time for Bubba's feeding. He's so... Yeah. There's two babies here right now. Hello, darling. Hello. I'm waiting for my granddaughter.
Oh, yeah.
She arrives on May the 10th.
May 10. Oh, how exciting. Will you be in Sydney?
Yes, I'm going to be there. Yeah.
How good is that?
So blessed to have three little darlings now.
Yeah.
You got your three little darlings. Boy, girl, boy. Yeah, boy. Amela. Neve! Neve! Where you going? Neve? Fenton! Fenton, come here! Come here! Stop following her! Fenton, come! Come, you guys, come here! Come here! It's going to go do the toilet. Hey, you guys, come here! Come here! Yeah, let her have some privacy. Neve, she just wants to go to her uncle.
Oh, scared now.
Liliani, come back here, darling. Just leave up. It's going to have a bit of privacy. That's a farewell song.
Is it?
Yeah.
Ah.
It's time now to finish. That's what the song means. No, that's a song. Who are these beautiful ladies down here? My goodness. Lagi fair mo tu hatawa Hey, look at these two. She likes it, eh? I'll tell you, Kefaleveia. You're just saying goodbye to the party's over.
Party's over now. This is what you say.
Mecca, Mecca. Oh, look at Mecca trying to climb up on the chair. Mecca, no, darling. Hey, Mecca, are you trying to climb up on the chair?